Good morning, children. Welcome in our first session of grammar. Today we are going to start our revision, which is depend on the lesson parts of speech, the word family. You have already learned that there are altogether 8 parts of speech. All words in English language belong to this word family. Each part of speech performs different functions. Now we will start with our part of speeches. There are 8 parts of speech. First parts of speech is noun. A noun names a person, place, things, or idea. For example, pen, house, book, teacher, students, daughter, thief, Mary, and etc. Next, we are going to move towards verb. What's the verb? A verb is a word or group of words that describes an action experience. For example, study, think, prepare, realize, believe, look, see, and etc. Now also, students, you are doing one action. What is that? Yeah, listening. Listening is a action word, and that action words comes under the verb family. Very good. Now we will move for the preposition. What is the preposition? A preposition is used before a noun, pronoun, or gerund to show place, time, direction in a sentence. For example, at, in, on, from, above, below, etc. Now we'll move for the next part of speech, that's the pronoun. What's pronoun? Pronouns replace the name of a person, place, thing, or idea in a sentence. For example, this, that, he, she, it, we, they, him, her, and etc. Now I will give one example to you. Shweta is liking to play cricket. She likes to play football as well. Yeah, instead of Shweta in second sentence we have used pronoun she. That's why that she comes under the category pronoun. Now we'll move for the next part of speech. It's adverb. What's an adverb? An adverb tells how often, how, when, where. It can describe a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. For example, frequently, seldom, sometimes, early, soon, etc. Next part of speech is an adjective. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. For example, tall, thin, red, beautiful, ugly, sweet, handsome, and etc. Next part of speech is conjunction. What is the function of conjunction? How we use it? Yeah, conjunction join words or groups of words in a sentence. For example, so, until, and, because, yet, therefore, moreover, since, or, but, and etc. Now it's time to discuss about the last part of speech. It's an interjection. What's an interjection? Interjections express strong emotion and are often followed by an exclamation point. Example, hooray, e, oops, phew, bravo, well, aha. These all part of speeches we are going to discuss in detail. Now we'll move for the first part of speech, that's the noun. What's a noun? It is a naming word. It names a person, place, animal or thing. Here are few examples which I am going to discuss with you. Person. What are the examples which comes under person? It's a boy, girl, baby. Students, now you can see the few examples which comes under the place. Yeah, which are those? House, school, park. Very good. Now next we will discuss under the animal category. Few names are there which comes under the nouns. Cat, dog, pig, lion. Very good. Now we will see the examples of things which are having their own names, and these names we consider as a noun. Yeah, sun, car, pencil, chair. Very good, student. These all persons, places, animals, things, Names comes under the category nouns. Now we'll discuss about pronoun. What's a pronoun? It is a noun reflexive word. It is used in place of a noun in a sentence. As before, I have given one example about Shweta. Yeah, instead of Shweta, we have taken the pronoun she. Here are just few examples are there. Those examples are I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. These all examples we are using instead of noun, and these are called as a pronoun. Very good, students. Now we'll discuss about the next part of speech, that is the verb. What is a verb? Yeah, a verb is a word that shows action. Yeah, many actions we do. It describes the action done by the noun or pronoun in a sentence. Now, here is a girl. What she is doing? Yeah, she is a jumping girl. And what action she is doing? That's the jumping. That's a jumping comes under a verb. Now, here is other example. What is it? The baby sleeps. What action the baby is doing? Yeah, very good. Sleeps. Sleeps comes under the action word, and this action word we say as a verb. Yeah, it's the last example. A man eats a burger. What action he is doing? Of eating. And this eating, eats comes under the action word, and we are seeing this is a verb. Here we have seen three examples of the verbs: jumping, sleeps, eats. There are few more examples are there which we are going to see. Yeah, see now which basic verbs are here mentioned. Ask, answer, open, close, sit and stand, count, draw, look, read, sing, talk, think, write, paint, cut, buy, stick, cook, cry, dance, and many more. Many action words we can use in our daily life, and that all action words comes under the verbs. Now we will discuss about our next part of speech, that is the adverb. What is an adverb? Yeah, an adverb describes a verb, adjective or other adverb and answer how, when, where, and or how much. Here are few examples we are going to discuss. Our first example is run quickly. There is one action word, that is the verb run. And about run, we are getting more information by using word quickly. And this quickly word we considered as an adverb because it is giving more information about verb. Very good. Now what is the next example? Talk quietly. Talk is a verb, and about this verb we are getting more information by using word quietly, and this quietly comes under the adverb. Now we'll discuss about the last example, eat. How to eat? Slowly. That's why this slowly comes under the adverb category. Here are three examples we have seen, and in these three examples, quickly, quietly, slowly are performing the role of adverb. Now we'll discuss about adjectives. What is an adjective? It is a describing verb. It describes a noun or pronoun in a sentence. Adjectives can tell you how it looks, bright, beautiful, how it shapes, that is the circle, square, round, how many, one, two, three, many, how it behaves, angry, sad, mad, how it smells, fresh, stinky, sweet, yummy, how it feels, soft, hard, sharp, what size, tall, short, big, what color, red, orange, yellow. Yeah, these all describing words comes under the category adjective. If you'll take the example of our class, which kind of class we have? Bright class. And class is a noun. About this noun we are getting more information by using one word, that is the bright. And this bright comes under the category adjectives. Well done, students. Now there are few examples about the adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun, and there are few adjectives which came with its noun. Bedroom. Bedroom is a noun, and about it more information we are getting by using word messy. Pizza. Which kind of pizza? Delicious. Bunny. Fluffy bunny. Baby. Happy baby. Dragon. Silly dragon. Ladybug. Tiny ladybug. Firefighter. Brave firefighter. Mirror. Shiny mirror. Shirt. Blue shirt. Yeah, student. Can you identify which are the adjectives? Yeah, very good. Blue, messy, beautiful, delicious, fluffy, happy. Yeah, these are the few examples. Now we are going to discuss about preposition. What's a preposition? Prepositions denoting place, direction. It is a relation showing word. It describes the relation between subject, noun or pronoun and object in a sentence. Prepositions of place in, on, at. For example, John's house is at the end of street. There is the relation between John's house and street has shown by using one word, that is the at, and at we are using as a preposition. Next example of a direction. Prepositions of direction. To, into, onto. For example, Maria went to the library. There is the relation between Maria and library. By we are using to show it, and to comes under the preposition. Now here are some examples which are showing the relation of a two nouns. One noun is mouse and other noun is table. And about these two nouns, what is the relation between them? We are seeing now in this picture. Anywhere a mouse might go. Near the table, above the table, on the table, behind the table, below the table, next to the table, toward the table, beneath the table, close to the table, beside the table. Here all these words are showing the relation between mouse and table, and these all words comes under the prepositions. Now we'll discuss about the conjunctions. What is conjunction? It is a joining word. It joins two or more words in a sentence. Words that connect sentences or ideas together. Here are few examples which are hanging on the rope. Examples are and, because, so, but, or, if. We call these are joining words. Now I'll see few examples. Now our first example is I was tired, so I took a nap. Here are two different sentences. I was tired, I took a nap. These both sentences we are joining with one connective word. That connective word is a so, and this connective word is only called as a conjunction. Next two different sentences are Superman felt ill, he still went out to save the world. These two different sentences we are joining by using one word. Which is that word, students? But. Very good. And these but words we considered as a conjunction because it is joining two sentences. We will see the last example. Should we walk to school? Should we take the bus? These are two different sentences we are joining by using one word. What is that word? Or. Very good. Then what will the answer? Should we walk to school or should we take the bus? In all these three examples, so, but, or are joining the two different sentences. That's why the joining words are called as a conjunction. Now we will see our last part of speech, that is interjection. An interjection is a word or phrase that expresses emotion. An interjection often starts a sentence, but it can be contained within a sentence or can stand alone. It is a mood showing word. It describes the happy, sad, angry, or surprise mood of the subject in a sentence. Here are few examples which we are going to discuss. Wow! Hey! Hooray! Wait! Yippee! Oh no! Shucks! Ouch! Yeah! These are few examples which are showing the different feelings, and these feeling words are called as a interjections. Now we will see the summary of all these part of speeches. Noun. Things, people, places, abstract things. Examples: man, woman, cows, house, playground, idea, job. Pronoun. Instead of noun: I, he, they, mine, his, theirs, himself, themselves. Adjective describes a noun: pretty, happy, good, bad, long, short. Verb: actions: play, see, take, make, do, could, swim, did. Adverbs describe verbs: well, badly, slowly, quietly, fast, long. Preposition shows relationship: in, at, of, out of, forward, outside, over. Conjunction connect sentences: and, because, but, thus, while, when. Interjection describes a sound: oops, ah, boo, wow, pass, ooh. Now, students, I hope so that you understood that all part of speeches and their functions with example. Now it's your time to show that how much you understand. For that, I am giving you a worksheet. There is one question. Read the words and sort them under the appropriate categories. Here are many examples which comes the different categories. Categories are nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions and interjection. These you have to separate as per their function. Thank you so much, students, and I hope so that you will solve it. Everybody is going to solve it, and finally I am going to check it. Thank you everyone, and God bless you. Take care everyone.